Hello friends, welcome to another lecture in this series. So in the past lectures, we saw how to show an empty image view, right? Let's run that. So basically you have something here for an image, but nothing is visible because it doesn't have like a thumbnail, right? But it's clickable since we enable the user interaction to be user interaction enabled as true here. So it is actually interactable, but we are seeing nothing at this point. Okay, so let's now try to show a default image on there. So the way you do it is you go to your outline, view outline, right here. Click on the assets, click on the plus, click on new image set, and you can give this default image. So now you have to give something here, right? So I downloaded a file. You can select anything that you have. There's no big deal. Command S to save it. Go to your storyboard, click on the image, and then the default image that you just selected, put there is visible. Oh, looks like it appears to be bigger, right? Let's see why that's the case. So let's see our constraints of this. Let's remove the constraints. Whenever you see something like that, you just clear the constraints. Go to your image view. It has to be underneath here. Let's see the dimensions of this. Oh, it has to be just 320 by 320. That's why it's showing too big. Now you see these constraints here. They tell you what are the real constraints. Okay, now let's see. So there's no constraints on here, so let's add something. Let's say it's going to be 8 from the top, and then it's going to maintain its aspect ratio of 1, so it's going to remain square. Add these two constraints, so it just got bigger. Now let's see why that's the case. Somehow the height has changed. The head 320. Maybe the constraints aspect ratio is 1. That's good. And it has to be 8 from the top. Okay, that is good. Let's just run this and see what happens. So you see how you have to kind of like improvise to see the faults that your app is showing. Even now it's kind of still shows too big, right? So it's still not perfect. So we can try to fix that, right? See, let's stop that. Most of the times when you get into problems like this, you basically go and look for the constraint. So here there's a red arrow, right? So it's saying it needs a constraint for exposition. So let's add the missing constraint. And let's see what it added. So you go here and see aspect ratio is 1, that's good. Top is 8, that's good. Trailing to safe area. Line to safe area, that's 74. So this distance is going to be 74. And then it's going to align to the stack area. So let's run this and see what happens. See, now it looks quite better. So that's how you kind of like go around with your app PC building. I think this video is getting too long, so I'm going to stop it here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.